Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Let's Slice Data with Saurabh. It's already having around 738 subscribers. It's good to see that people are coming back and they're asking a lot about it. Now you don't have to know any coding. You don't need to learn any tool. If you know how to use the AI, you can create a lot of things. So what all you can do, I will showcase you here. And for that, let me open my Claude. Claude is very important. You can see that this kind of dashboards I have created using Claude, and that is the free version. I haven't used any, paid version or something. I have used the free version, and I am doing all these things. So how to do that? What kind of dashboard it is looking like? So you can see this kind of dashboard I've created. It is not used any code. If you have your data in CSV or Excel, you can utilize that. It's a separate downloadable dashboard where you can share it with someone else. You can upload the CSV or JSON, and you can export the data as well from this particular view. Even if you have lat long, you can create a map view. Let's say for this particular well, if I want to see the details of this particular well, you can see the API number, permit, operator, status, type, total length, KB, spud date, and everything is written here. So it is like a map view. And then if you want to go to the analytics view, it can tell you how many wells are horizontal, vertical, or directional. What are the companies working on? This is all dummy data basically, which I took from the internet, and then well spud by year. So in which year, how many wells have been spudded? So all this data is there in the analytics view, in the map view, and in the table view. Okay, so let me share what I have written in the Claude and what all I have used. So if you see, I have written a very simple code here, like create a dashboard for showcasing data for oil and gas wells in various countries. And this is a free plan. Remember this, I have not spent a single penny out of it. Kindly create some dummy data for and utilize that. Give me filter for countries and current status of the well. Obviously, I mean, you cannot create the very complex dashboards, but at least these kind of dashboards you can create. If you have your real-time data, you can just go there and upload it from your this thing. Let's say I have one like this one data. If I open that, and it will create a dashboard for me. Very simple, loaded. So it has given me the dashboard for this particular wells, which are 20 wells are there. So total 20 wells are there. 12 active procedures. Basically, I have downloaded the same CSV and I have uploaded the same. So it will not show any changes. But if you have anything, you can definitely try for that. And it is showing you map view, analytics view. If you do not know Power BI, you do not know Tableau or any other tool, you can utilize the Claude. Claude is free. You can do a lot of certification. Recently, I've done Claude 101, and I have already given this one lecture on Claude to everyone, so you can go there and watch that. So keep learning. No need to code. Don't write any code now, and start learning. So that is very important now. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.